Hey, what's going on, guys? DJS here. I wanted to show you guys this article that I wrote on collectivekicks.com. If you want to check it out, check the description. But I thought this was a fun one considering all of the heat that we saw yesterday in the NBA season opener. And I wanted to do like a PE sort of battle from Ray Allen because if you guys don't remember, I'm going to show you guys some of the images. Ray Allen actually had a gold, green, and white PE from back in the day, and this was, I think, in '08 that he broke these out, which is the year I think that he had the first championship. So you can see these things are crazy. And this picture is nuts. He's wearing one of the bins and then one of the PEs on the other leg. But check out the gold on that and the green and the white. And I wanted to know which one you guys like better, the Celtic one or the one we saw yesterday, with the kind of Miami-ish colorway to that. So yeah, so those ones are the gold and green ones, and then check these ones out. If you didn't see the pictures from yesterday, these are just nuts, dude. The first picture that was leaked, I put a picture of it on Instagram, or I mean everybody did, but there was a really bad picture of the shoes, and I think that as I was saying, I was like, I was saying it on Twitter, I was like, a lot of people are hating on these shoes, but if they saw them, well, if they had a chance to get them in person, they wouldn't turn them down, or just wait because I don't think you have enough good pictures of the sneakers. So these are more detailed pictures, and they just are just crazy. Look at the gold, and then it has Ray Allen on the tongue, which we love on the from the 13s. Across the midsection, it says, let's see. Actually, I put it on a different article. It says Sugar Ray across the tongue area, and it has his numbers on the back. Also has his championship dates in the inside. So definitely a crazy shoe. But so the question that I'm asking, which one was better, the gold and white and green pair or the white and red and gold pair? I've actually had the privilege of seeing these in person, both of them. And man, if I can get, I don't know how or if it's possible, if I can get some images of both of the shoes, I'll definitely be posting them, or maybe even a quick little video of it. That would be pretty rad if I'm able to, but not sure if it's possible or not yet. But I just want to share with you guys these throwbacks from '08, and yeah, it's one of those ones that I totally forgot about until seeing the new gold ones, and it's pretty crazy to see that they're continuing that kind of trend for Ray. So I'm pretty sure he's going to be retiring with Miami, so we won't be seeing any other colorways inspired with that. But we never see any PEs, or hardly ever see any Jordan 11 PEs, and I think Ray Allen brings out the best of them. So that's pretty much all we got. I just wanted to have a quick little video for you guys today about that, and leave a comment. Which one do you guys like better, the Boston or the Miami ones? We'll catch you guys later. Peace.